What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, ignore my voice because I just woke up, so it's not that I'm sick or anything. But I wanted to talk about altcoin season. I wanted to talk about what's going on with cryptocurrency because just when you think that altcoin season is here, right? Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, which I'm excited for cryptocurrency in general to be able to see Bitcoin at a crazy amount like it's at now and to still see the further progression is phenomenal, right? That means that a lot of money is going to flow into altcoins eventually. It's just taking its sweet old time. And when you have a bunch of people that are waiting for cryptocurrency to run, like Ethereum and XRP and ADA and all these others, right? You're going to have them sit on their hands. And while people are sitting on their hands, there's a lot of people that are still buying Bitcoin and still utilizing Bitcoin and believing in Bitcoin in the end. Now, I'm not saying I don't believe in the success of Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is going to go very, very far. I just think that we're going to see a lot more use in other cryptocurrencies that are out there, like an XRP or like an ADA or Solana. So in this video, I want to talk about where the market is today, the highs that it hit, and just kind of the progression forward for altcoins in general to when we see altcoin season. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I do have a link for BTCC, which is a fantastic platform. If you guys are looking to leverage trade BTC or sorry, or leverage trade XRP or any other position that's out there, you can leverage trade all the way up to a 500x leverage on popular and top positions. You can leverage 50x leverage on some other positions that are not, kind of at the top of the market cap. But you can get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link. So if you decide to deposit $100 or $1,000, right? 10% of that, 10% of 1,000, 100, you'll be able to get as an extra bonus. And as you do make moves, all that money is yours, right? If you make money off of that money, the money is then yours. However, if you don't make money off of it, it's no fault to you, right? That's an extra $100 that you have to play with. So feel free to check out my link down below for BTCC. Get yourself a 10% deposit bonus, extra bonuses up to $10,055, and 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check that out. Link is at the top of the description. Now, again, I've made a couple of videos talking about how altcoin season is here. And I still believe that we are seeing some major progression for altcoins. It's just the Bitcoin dominance continues to increase. And we're waiting. All of us that are altcoin heavy are waiting and waiting and waiting for altcoin season to thrive. And we haven't yet seen the actual altcoin season where Bitcoin is seeing single digit increases or even falling, while everything else in the market is seeing double digit, not even just 10%, but like 20%, and some bigger ones 50%, and others that are making huge moves by the billions and tens of billions of dollars. So when we're not seeing that, we're like, all right, well, is altcoin season really going to happen? And I think it's leading to a bunch of questions on whether we are going to experience an altcoin season this year. And I still believe wholeheartedly that we're going to see an altcoin season happen this year and the money trickle down to other things. But let's check out where the market is right now. So currently, the crypto market stands at a $3.5 trillion market cap, with about $200 billion worth of volume, up 54% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance has since increased from the 60% level that it was at while all altcoins were making huge moves to now 63%, showing that altcoins are starting to fall off a little bit, especially, as you see Bitcoin making pretty big moves as well. If we scroll down here and look at Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, 110. I don't even know if it got to a higher point than that. $111,861.22. $112,000 is what it reached. Absolutely phenomenal, right? way over what the previous all-time high was, which was, I believe, 108 or 109. So seeing it break above that point is phenomenal for anybody that's holding Bitcoin, that's holding a whole Bitcoin, that's holding multiple Bitcoin, or even partial Bitcoin. You're gaining a heck of a lot. Over the last 7 days, it's up by 9%. The month, 25%. The year, it's up 58%. And obviously, all time, if you were able to invest into Bitcoin, back in 2010, 2012, 2013, right? Some of these prices of 5 cents, if you were able to mine it back then, 5 cents, 6 cents, whatever it is, $100, $400, even get up to 17 to come back down to 3,000 and buy a bunch of Bitcoin there, you made out on the deal. And I'm happy for you guys. But we're still left wondering, when is altcoin season going to happen? Are we going to see altcoin season? And again, like I said, while you look at everything else, right, things are moving. Ethereum's up by 5 or 6%. It's still not up to its all-time high, nor did it break the all-time high. XRP, that broke the all-time high market cap, but not the all-time high price. Solana, I believe, broke the all-time high price and market cap, but since hasn't returned to that point. BNB is up by 5%. You see Dogecoin up by 7%, 7% for Cardano. So percentages, we're seeing a lot of altcoins that are moving more than Bitcoin. It's just the amount for the market cap for a 4% increase is massive compared to a 4 or 5% increase on Ethereum. So when I look at the crypto market and I start to, kind of analyze this, you ask yourself the questions again: when is altcoin season going to happen? Are we ever going to see altcoin season? And when I look at Bitcoin and I break the entire market down, I say, if people are just sitting on their hands, if they're going, altcoin season will happen. Right now you have fear and greed index that are at a high point. It's at 73, even though majority of the movement is happening in Bitcoin. So maybe that has to be adjusted. But there is fear, right? Because Bitcoin's at an all-time high. Are we going to see things absolutely collapse? And if we do, are we going to be able to get it at better prices? Or should we sell and then buy back in? That's kind of what a lot of people, I guess, are thinking there, that have more of a shorter-term mindset. But in the grand scheme of things, altcoin season will happen. It's just taking its time because all of the people that are invested into altcoins are sitting on their hands, right? You're not making extra moves into there. We made all of our moves during the downtime in the market. During the bear market, we made a huge amount of moves, and now we're kind of out of money. So as we are out of money, we're not seeing newer investors that are throwing a bunch of money into these plays. But then when it comes to Bitcoin, there's so much hype and attention around it hitting new all-time highs and continuing to increase that more and more businesses, institutions, you have the financial institutions, you have banks, you have high-valued individuals that are deciding to put money into Bitcoin because of what they believe it's going to be worth in the future and the store of value within it, rather than the store of value in anything else, right? So that's the way that I look at it. Now, it's not 100% sound. I do see altcoin season happening. It's just taking its time. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I want to know what you guys think about where the market is right now. When do you believe altcoin season is truly going to break out, where Bitcoin drops below the 60% level, below the 58, 55% level, and continues to drop down in that dominance? Let me know when you believe that thing. I can't speak. Let me know when you believe that's going to happen. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.